Hi guys, this is Tonya Emm and welcome back to my channel. I will be doing a tutorial today on this natural glam look. I also will be doing a review today at the end of the video to go with this look on some nude lipstick shades for us, for black women. So to see a review on those, please stay tuned to the end of the video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. Go ahead and like this video, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date on any new videos I post. Thanks for watching. Bye. So hey guys, today we're going to be doing a tutorial on natural glam. So if you're looking for a natural glow but still want to look airbrushed, not too done up, then you want this video. So I already prepped my face. I moisturized. I already did my brows just at the same time, and I put my my foundation prep on, my primer. So we're gonna go ahead and do your whatever foundation you're comfortable with. I use a combination of spicy brown and truffle from Maybelline Fit Me. Yeah, because sometimes you got to, not everybody's gonna carry your exact shade. Next, we are going to work on our concealer. I usually use a really bright concealer, but because we're going for a softer glam, I'm going to use I'm running out. It's LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. I usually use my AOA concealer that's more brighter than this. If you see my last video, but I don't want to go for a strong highlight today. Contour. It's a beauty supply company that usually you find in beauty supply stores called Ruby Kisses, and I'm taking the color Caramel. Asha Buttercup. It's great for women of color. It's as a setting powder. And I'm gonna place this under my under eye. And then take our Maybelline Fit Me, and mine's in the color Mocha, and we're gonna set the eye. To avoid creasing. So today's featured palette is by no other than Juvia's Place, and it is their Nubian palette. And I'm gonna take this color right here and place it all over my lid. Literally, that's it. That's all we're doing with the eyes. That's it. That is it. Ta-da! So what we're gonna do next is wipe the excess powder off of our face. So just gonna wipe it under the eyes. It's not a lot on there because we didn't put a lot to begin with. All right. And that's we're gonna finish the eyeshadow by taking that dark color that we use in the crease again and brushing that underneath. And then we're gonna work on the face next, or finish the face. So then we're gonna take our Maybelline Fit Me again and hit certain spots on our face, just to like set everything and blend out better. All right, then we're going to actually finish our contour for our nose, and we're gonna take that's really a contour that's like darker, like a slightly darker for your skin tone. Bronzer. This is just going to give us warmth to the face. start on my cheeks. Now you're gonna redip the brush. And just kind of like contour that. Alright, so yeah. For the rest of our face, we're going to focus on the eyes. And we're just gonna add mascara. That's basically it. On the waterline, I mean. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. It makes your eyes look bigger. Then we're gonna do our highlight. I'm using this it's from a company called Bitch Slap Cosmetics. They're called the Fountain of Youth one. Oh my goodness. I really want to start getting highlighters from like more lower end brands, because there's a couple places that I saw that I feel like the highlighter would be really nice. This is like the perfect highlight for my skin now, so I will be purchasing more. Okay, so my camera cut off, but I decided to make the eyes pop. You can, what I did is I added the same highlighter. I added it on the inner corners and on the brow bone. And then I just sprayed my face with some of my setting spray. And boom, there you go. That's the face. So we got finished the lips. And actually for my lips, I'm actually going to be doing a review on 3 different lipsticks that I purchased off of an ad on Facebook. And I've seen this ad like numerous times over and over, and it's from a company called Nude. I'm grabbing my makeup removers for this and also Nude. So it came in this, you know, in a normal box with the logo on the inside. I love the color. And it's basically a company that sells lipstick and lip gloss for our nudes as women of color. Like, we don't have like the nudes that they sell in the store are very much like not women of color friendly. So this is a company solely based on us for caramel complected women, toffee complected, all the way down in the dark chocolate. So this is a thank you card they put in the box. Very beautiful. It says, "We started Nude because we believe every woman should be able to find herself in the world of beauty. Thank you for joining our journey." And I think that's really cool. Awesome. I got 3 shades. They had a 3-shade bundle. They had a sale going on. I was like, you know what? I'm going to get 3 shades. And I got, I already opened this one. It's called Dope Taupe. Okay. So it looks like this. Dope Taupe. And I love the, actually, I love the packaging. It's like looks like the MAC packaging as far as the shape goes, but it's like black, and it's like a matte black. It's so beautiful, and it just has their logo on the side. And I got brand Nude, which is this lovely shade. And then I also got, because I'm a female, we love the pinks, so I also got a color called Pretty in Pink. And it's just a grown-up pink, you know. So I'm gonna first start off with the lightest color, which is the pink. Let me put it on the back of my hand so you can see. That's what it looks like on me. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. And I'm trying to apply as an outliner, because for me, nude should be able to be worn without liner. And this formula is a creamy consistency. I like this. Oh my goodness. I didn't think it would look good because pinks, you usually need a liner. But I like it. I don't think it's too much. Let me see the middle. I mean, you could add a liner if it felt out of place for you, but this is a very much brown girl friendly pink, you know. It's very pretty. Next shade is Taupe. Well, that's the darkest shade. So next shade will be Brand Nude. And this is Brand Nude on my hand. Let's go ahead and try her on. This is such, it's like a brown sugar color. This is such a, yo, this is it. Like, this company is everything. Like, I bought this, like, these colors better look good on me. And you have to kind of like look at the model. They show you the color on different shades, so you can know like how it will look on you, how to get the idea of how it will look on you. This is so freaking gorgeous. Oh my god, this is like my perfect nude. What? Oh my god, I gotta take a picture. Okay. And the next shade, the last shade, is Dope Taupe. It's more of a richer brown. That one was like more of like a off brown. Like, it's brown, but it's more like a brown sugar brown. This is like a chocolate brown. Oh my gosh. And I already wore this, so I know it's dope. Biatch. Like, these, I'm in love. I'm absolutely in love with this company. Like, I'm about to go get the rest of the shades and just work with them. Okay, I'm gonna save my coins. I'm not gonna go there. But yeah, if you're looking for these lipsticks, like, I wore this before I did my makeup. This hair is in my face. I wore this lipstick, this shade before I did my makeup, and I felt done. Like, I didn't need to do anything else. Like, I felt like it wasn't out of place. You know how some lipsticks you can't wear because it's like, oh, I need my face done. Like, this lipstick was like, oh, you know what? I don't need to beat my face. I did my brows and had the lipstick on, and I was done. That was it. That was it. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. Well, thanks for watching this tutorial and / review. Hopefully y'all run out and get these lipstick products. Like, support anybody who supports us, like, definitely. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date on what new videos I put out. Also, go over to Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter and follow me, because I preview any products reviews I'm going to be doing. I preview them there and I post pictures and whatnot. Also, I do have a fan page on Facebook, so I will put that also in the description box. That way you can go ahead and like, and that way it's more like writing. And I should write more on Twitter. I'm always on Facebook though, so y'all be able to, you know, communicate with me and converse with me. I like that a lot. I like having to talk to people who watch me, and, you know, let's start a conversation, you know. So thanks. Bye guys.